Hi everyone, Anat Kessler here with a new tutorial, and today we are making icicles. Dropping icicles with little glittery drops that you can add to any craft project that you want. So let's get started. To make your icicles, you would need a glossy accent by Ranger. This is a clear dimensional medium. It's basically a glue that dries with dimension. It doesn't flatten on your surface, and it has a glossy finish, although we're going to cover it anyway. So let's get really close, and I'm going to show you how to do it. It has a very fine tip, so you can actually draw with it. So what you're going to do is take the bottle and just draw a straight line, and then from there you're simply going to make little drops, different size of drops. They can be long, they can be short, and the most important thing is to make it thick enough for it to hold after it dries. So this is my first icicle, and you can measure. Let's say you want to make a card or a mini album or a party invitation or some decoration. You can simply measure it and then make it as long or as short or as small or as large as you want. So let's make another one. So you draw a line, and then the little drops. Now if we leave it like this, then it will dry clear and then kind of missing the point because you won't see anything. So what we're going to do is bring some glitter and sprinkle it with glitter. I'm going to use two colors, just white glitter and then some silver glitter, and I'm going to mix the two. So you're going to see how it looks. And be careful, you know, when you use glitter, everything else somehow gets glittered too. So I like to put just a plain piece of paper underneath everything that I'm working on so it won't be too messy. So now we can shake the excess off. And look at our icicles. Aren't they pretty? Just make sure that everything is covered. So if you need to add more glitter, then just go ahead and do that. Now you need to set it aside and let it dry for at least a few hours. Otherwise it will not separate from the surface you're making it on. And you need, I forgot to tell you, you need to make it on a wax paper. Otherwise it will stick because it's a type of glue, so it will stick to your paper. But if you use a wax paper, then it will be fine. So let it dry for a few hours, even overnight. And then once that's dry, you can basically use it for any craft project, scrapbook page, card, whatever you want to use it for. So here are my dried icicles. Really fun and cute and glittery. So now I want to show you up close. Look at that. Isn't that cool? And again, you can make it any size you want. You control it. So I just want to show you how they look if we add them to some cards that we made. They might be familiar to you. We made these cards. They're part of the 12 Cards of Christmas series. So let's say we want to add them to these cards. So let's say we can add them here. I'm not going to glue them. I'm just going to show you how they pop up every card or in every project that you add them to. So look at that. Isn't that great? And to add them, you simply need to just put a little bit of glue on the side, on the back, and just glue them. So you can put this here or here. And they just add so much to each of the cards. Isn't that cool? You can even add them to the theater card that we made on the top, like this. Looks really, really cool. See? So basically you can add them to any of your projects. So I really hope you like this video. It's a really fun, cool technique to make your own embellishments. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video, so you definitely won't miss anything that I make. So here are the icicles up close. Thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.